Hey everybody, today let's see if we can create an interactive quiz using Genially, but let's see if we can do it in under 15 minutes. Ready? Let's go. Hey there guys, it's Corey here. Let's make a quiz in Genially. So I've selected a template and I'm going to go edit it. So this is a template or quiz I'm going to use for a different class that I'm making, and I want to go ahead and make a quiz with those terms. So I've brought up my template. Again, I use the free plan, so this is a free template available to anybody who signs up with an account. And I'm going to go ahead and start customizing my template. I've done nothing to this template except look for it in the template lookup feature, and I've covered how I go about that process in another video. And each of the pages here I need to go ahead and customize for my quiz. So this is a DMAC definition quiz. And I want it to be start. Okay, good there. Let's go to the second page. And you navigate simply by selecting the page you want here. I'm going to type my question here. And I'm going to go ahead and copy my question because I'm going to use it for each of these letters for the next few. And I've got to type 3 wrong answers and 1 right answer. So let's go ahead and type in some answers. No cheating if you're going to take this quiz. And then give the right answers. Okay. And if I hover over this, you're going to get that crosshatch symbol here, which will allow you to move that and center it. And if you see the guides pop up on the screen, it will help you align that nicely. Okay, so question 1 is done. Let's go to question 3, or question 2, slide 3. I'm going to go ahead and click in the box, delete what's there, paste in my next question. Obviously the good practice here, oops, that is the same question. I'm not paying attention. Did you see what I did? Got to put in the same question because it's answering correct. Let's see. So this is the correct answer for question 2. Okay, I don't quite understand. Let's see if we can figure this out. Go to page 8, let's hover, next page, hover, go to page 8. So if we go down to page 8, oh, here we go, it's the no screen. It's saying try again. And that, if you hover on that, it'll take them back to that original question. Okay. So I'm going to go to the next page, and I want to show you, I was clicking over here. You can also click down here in this menu page. So click there. This is question 2. I'm not quite sure what this is doing here, but we'll find that out when we go try to test drive our question or for this quiz. So see the M, the wrong answer is go ahead and put the right answer in. Oops. again, well, okay. Go to the next page. This is question 3. And so I'm going to keep entering my questions and answers here until we get to the last page, and we'll figure out what's going on then. So I'll be right back after I've entered all my questions. All right, guys, I've gotten my last question here, and let's see, do I add any background audio? Probably not. Let's go ahead and X out of that. I want people to be able to focus on the actual quiz and not be distracted. So, by the way, as I work through this, Genially auto-saves the content. You can see it's saved as a draft. Here you can hit present and you can see what it looks like. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Let's see. I only have one option, so let's do that. You are restricted in the free plan to not be able to put this anywhere you want it. You do have to link to the content. So that is a drawback to the basic plan. And again, in another video, I kind of talked over very briefly the options, not affiliated by the way, but I did talk over the options, and it is an affordable option if you have the volume to use the content you create. Okay, so here is our quiz. Let's go ahead and click start. It's going to give me quiz 1. I need to cut the right wire, decide what it is. So the D in DMakes is define. And it's going to give me that correct. That's what we saw in the screen. So question 2, the M. I know what the M means. It means measure, but let's do something else and see what our wrong button looks like. Oh no. Okay. Try again. Measure. Correct. Question 3, analyze. Correct. I stands for improve. And we'll try out the wrong answer again. Let's try the wrong answer, consolidate. No, try again. Okay. Right answer is control. All right, and congratulations, we're done. So this one doesn't look like it's a scoring option, which is fine. It's meant to just test people's knowledge and be an interactive engagement for remembering what the DMAC acronym stands for. So, all right, that's what this stands for, or that's what this looks like rather. This is the quiz that we made really quick. You can see it is very easy to follow along, and if you can't figure out what something is, then go look at the quiz final and we can figure out what it means. Let's see, we also have some page transitions if we want to add those in. So let's play around with that. So we have a few minutes left. So let's go horizontal, vertical. Let's do vertical. And let's do a fade in. And then right here, you don't have to go through each slide to do that. You can click apply to all slides. Okay, what's this little button? This says options. Let's see, add a password. I don't think I need a password. Actually worked out that there were a perfect amount of pages for this one for me, but if you needed to add another slide or page, you can do that right here. If you wanted to add images or change the text. So let's see if I change the text for here, go here to the text line. Looks like, oops, I can add text that way. I don't know if I can modify it. Let's see if we can. It says it's unlocked. I can lock it, so here we go. There's the font. And I haven't added any fonts yet, so none there. Let's choose this one right here to look at. All right. Don't want to do that. Let's look at images. Are there any? Nah, I don't want to do any of this. I think I'm good with everything else. Background's okay. I think it's appropriate. All right. And again, I didn't want to really do any music, but I'm going to go ahead and upload some music from my hard drive real quick. Okay, close that out. And it didn't want to take that for some reason. Let's find out why. I'm going to hit refresh on this. Whoops. You can see I didn't delete that second box I added there. So let's do that. Okay. Refresh. And I had issues adding music, so that's going to take some more troubleshooting. It looks like I can add music if I want to. Oh, I see. That's why. Okay. So always hover and you'll find out why. I can't add it because I don't have the premium plan. Mystery solved. Oh, I didn't want to lock that panel. All right. So we're done. That's all we had to do with this, and we're good to go. I hope you learned something out of this. It's pretty easy. It also gives you some recommendations here after you scroll through your creation here. Just gives you insight for other items that you may want to play with. And then if you click right here, it'll show the interactive elements. Cool. Okay guys, so I'm back to my main page. I don't have any other bells and whistles I want to add to this one. I'm going to go click back on pages here. Brings me back to my menu. And I'm going to call this one done. If I want to save it and present it, I can share this link. And simply click copy. I can go share it. So if I want to just plug this in the URL, anybody I give that link to can come over here and play with this quiz. I do want to show you something really quick, and that is that link is live. So let's say I come back up here and I want to change that font again. Say, I don't really like that. So let's choose a different one. You can see Genially auto-save. So if I come back over here and I refresh this key or refresh this page, it's going to update it in real time. So just be mindful of that. If you are making edits to a quiz or you're trying to reuse a template, make sure that you unpublish the link that you shared. All right, that's it for me today, and I will see you all later.